So this is our mini scale. So you can see it is a small size here. Let me turn off. Here it has a physical button to control the power here. When we turn on and put it on side, and then long press this button and it will turn on. Okay, press this button, we can change the mode. It has an automatic mode and manual mode. Here we see PR2 is the manual mode. In this mode you can control your scale with these two buttons. This one you can press to tail. Okay, and this button you can press to for the timer, like this. Okay, and press again to stop, and long press to reset here. It is the same. Press to reset. Okay, this is the PR2 manual mode.